Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to find out the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty. I am using Nifty daily chart here. What's our view last week? Our view was very simple. Below 18,650 will short, that is our view was downside. Below 18,750 our view was upside. But high probability trade is we expected a down move. But index has given a upside move, that is above 18,750. So index sustained above 18,050. So our targets are, as per our view, 18,850 and 18,950, somewhere till here. Above this move, even I was not expecting this, but index has given this move. So what are the important levels for the next week? Before going to that, generally the price action will be, as I always tell you, for every impulse there will be a correction. This is an impulsive move, this is the correction. This is an impulsive move, this is the correction. Now, for this impulsive move also we will see a correction. That is, from 18,200, if the correction comes, till where will it come? Someone will call it as profit booking, we can call it as correction, whatever you call. We will see a pullback for this impulsive move. If index corrects from this level, that is from 18,200 level, till where will the index come? That is, till where will the Nifty come? For that, we will shift the time frame to hourly and see that. See, this is the area which we can call as support for this coming weeks. This area between 18,850 to 18,920. This complete area will act as support for Nifty in the coming weeks. So if the correction comes for this impulsive move, if the correction comes, we may see correction till this level, 18,920. If anyone missed this move, that is this move, this long move, they can build their fresh longs from this area, from 18,850 to 18,920. We can say simply like this: until index sustains above 18,850 or 18,900, our view is on the bullish side. Below this level, that is below 18,850, then our view is again downside. That is, this complete impulsive move will get invalidated. So what are the important levels for the coming week? This area, 18,850 to 18,920. This complete area will act as support. And what is the resistance? Right now there is no resistance because index is making, Nifty is making all-time highs. So right now we can't say, unless the fresh data, that is fresh price action is built, we can't find the resistance. Let's assume that this 19,200 is the resistance right now. In week, the important support area, that is we have to wait for a pullback, that is we have to wait for a correction like this, and only in the correction we can build a fresh long positions. That too, when index tests this level, that is when index tests this 18,920 and we see a price action like this, that is a W pattern from this support area, this area will be our entry point, this point will be our stop loss, and our target will be this swing high, 19,200 will be the first target, and above this level we will trial our stop losses. And for the Monday's trading session, what are the important levels for the Monday's trading session? For that, we will bring the time frame to 15 minutes and see. See this level. On Monday, if index opens in this range, that is in between this range, 19,150 to 19,200. On Monday, if index opens in between this range, and if it breaks on the downside, that is if it trades below 19,130, it is 137, we can take it as 19,130. Then our first target will be 19,080 and the second target will be this area, 19,000. These are the downside targets for the Monday. That is, if index on Monday, if breaks this level below 19,130, our first target is 19,080 and the second target is 19,020. If index opens in between this range and breaks this level on the upside, 19,200, then trade with low quantity. And our first target will be 18,250 and the second target will be 18,300. These are the levels of Nifty for the Monday's trading session. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. Here I am using Bank Nifty daily chart. Finally, Bank Nifty has given a close above this range. That is, index has stuck, that Bank Nifty stuck in this range for the last 6 to 7 weeks. And finally, in the last week, that too on the last trading session, that is on the Friday's trading session, Bank Nifty managed to close above this level, that is 44,500. It has given a close near 44,747. So what are the important levels? That is what will be the Next move for Bank Nifty. So high probability move is if this breakout is real, that is this breakout is genuine, then we may see a retesting of this level. Till now this area, this 44,500 acted as resistance. Now this same area, that is the same area, that is from 44,450 to 44,500, it will act as support. That is, if index tests this level in between 44,400 to 500, and if we see a price action same W pattern, same like Nifty, then we can build up long from this level with our stop loss as this support area. That is 44,400 to 44,500 will be the support for Bank Nifty this week. If this breakout is genuine, below 44,300, we can take it as 44,300. Again, Bank Nifty is back into this range and we can see a zigzag moves. For a trending market, the only one option is either market will break this level directly and move like this, or it will give a pullback like this and it will move like this. High probability trade is on Monday. If we see a testing of this level, that is this 44,400 to 500, and if index bounces back from this support, then above this level, then our first target will be 45,000, since it is a psychological resistance, and our second target will be 44,500. If Bank Nifty again comes back into this range, then we'll simply sell this range. If you have any questions in these two analysis, that is in both Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.